Welcome to Inner Haven. Today, your journey begins along an ancient mountain path in the peaceful highlands of Tibet, where timeless trails wind through majestic peaks, clear skies, and an endless silence that gently invites your heart to rest. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest softly. Relax your shoulders. Release any unnecessary tension from your face. If it feels comfortable, slowly close your eyes. There is nowhere you need to go. Nothing you need to achieve. For these next 20 minutes, simply allow yourself to breathe. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it gently for a moment, and slowly breathe out. Again, breathe in calm, and breathe out tension. One more time, a deep, peaceful breath in, and a long, gentle breath out. Allow your breathing to settle into its own quiet rhythm. Every inhale brings fresh energy. Every exhale softens the body. Imagine yourself standing at the beginning of an ancient stone pathway. The path has been here for centuries. Smooth stones rest beneath your feet. Each one carries the quiet memory of countless peaceful journeys. Around you rise magnificent mountains. Their snow-covered peaks touch the brilliant blue sky. The morning sun paints the cliffs with soft shades of gold. The air is cool, pure, refreshing. Each breath feels cleaner than the last. You begin walking slowly. There is no destination to reach. Only this peaceful journey. Each step feels steady, grounded, comfortable. The mountains stand silently around you. They do not rush. They do not resist the passing seasons. They simply remain. Strong, patient, unshaken. Allow their quiet strength to inspire your own. A gentle breeze flows through the valley. It carries the fresh scent of alpine grasses and wildflowers. Small prayer flags flutter peacefully in the distance. Their colors dance softly in the wind. not demanding attention. Simply moving with the breeze. As you watch them, notice how easily they surrender to the movement of the air. Perhaps your thoughts can become like that too. Free to come, free to go, without needing to hold on to them. Continue walking. The ancient path gently curves around the mountainside. Far below, a crystal-clear stream winds through the valley. Its water reflects the morning sunlight like flowing silver. You pause for a moment. Listen carefully. There is no noise, only the soft breeze, the distant song of mountain birds, the gentle sound of water, the peaceful silence between every sound. Notice how silence itself feels comforting, not empty, but full of calm. With every breath, imagine the mountain air filling your entire body. It flows into your lungs like cool, hailing light. As you breathe out, release every anxious thought, every worry, every expectation, every unnecessary burden. Allow them to drift away like small clouds moving across the vast sky. You do not need to chase them. You do not need to stop them. Simply let them pass. Ahead, you discover a quiet mountain overlook. A smooth stone invites you to sit. As you settle comfortably, the entire landscape opens before you. Towering mountains, endless valleys, the wide blue sky stretching beyond the horizon. Everything feels spacious, open, peaceful. Take a deep breath. Imagine the strength of these ancient mountains gently flowing into your heart. Their patience becomes your patience. Their stability becomes your stability. Their quiet confidence becomes your own. The sunlight grows warmer. Golden light gently washes across the peaks. It reaches your face, your shoulders, your chest, your hands. Every part of your body relaxes beneath its warmth. Your forehead softens. Your eyes become peaceful. Your jaw releases. Your neck grows light. Your shoulders gently melt. Your breathing becomes slow and effortless. Your arms feel comfortably heavy. Your hands completely relaxed. Your back softens. Your chest opens. Your stomach loosens. Your legs rest peacefully. Your entire body feels supported by the earth. Remain here for a few quiet moments, simply breathing, simply observing. Notice how nothing in this landscape competes for attention. Everything exists together, in harmony. The mountains, the sky, the wind, the water, the light. Perhaps your thoughts can exist with that same gentle acceptance, without judgment, without resistance, simply present. Now bring your awareness inward. Notice the quiet space beneath your thoughts. A place untouched by worry. Untouched by fear. A peaceful awareness that has always lived within you. Even during difficult days. Even during uncertainty. It has always remained here. Patiently waiting. Today, you have remembered how to find it again. Take another slow breath. Feel gratitude growing within your heart. Gratitude for this peaceful path. For the mountains. for your breath, for your body, for your ability to pause. To rest, to begin again. Gratitude gently expands through your entire being like warm sunlight spreading across the mountain peaks. The time has come to continue your journey home. Stand slowly. Take one final look across the peaceful mountains. Remember this ancient path. Remember the fresh mountain air. Remember the silence. Remember the strength you discovered within yourself. Whenever life becomes overwhelming, you can always return here. With one slow breath, one quiet moment, one gentle pause. Begin becoming aware of the surface supporting your body. Notice the sounds around you. I'll take a deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Perhaps stretch softly. Carry the calm of these ancient mountains into the rest of your day. Carry their patience, their strength, their peace. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. May your heart remain steady like the mountains. May your mind become as clear as the endless sky. May every step you take bring you closer to peace. Thank you for spending this time in Inner Haven ***. Until we meet again, may the quiet wisdom of the mountains always guide you home. Namaste. Subscribe to take more meditations.